ॐ श्री गणेशाय नमः। ॐ श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। श्रीराम जय जय राम। 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 जय जय राम। जय जय राम। ॐ रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेधसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीतायाः पतये नमः। ॐ श्रीरामचन्द्राय नमः। अतुलितबलधामं हेमशैलाभदेहं दनुजवनकृशानुं ज्ञानिनामग्रगण्यं सकलगुणनिधानं वानराणामधीशं रघुपतिप्रियभक्तं वातजातं नमामि। रघुपतिप्रियभक्तं वातजातं नमामि। ॐ श्रीहनुमते नमः। ॐ ध्यायामि चिन्मयानन्दं गुरुदेवं महामतिं प्रेमपूर्णं क्रियाशीलं सदा लोकहिते रतं कृपालुं सुन्दराकारं समर्थं सत्यदर्शिनं वाचा तत्त्वप्रकाशिन्या शोकमोहविनाशिनम्। ॐ श्रीचिन्मयसद्गुरवे नमः। ॐ नमः श्रीतुलसीदास सद्वरिष्ठाय धीमते पूरितं हृदयं येन रामप्रेमामृतेन मे। ॐ श्रीतुलसीदासाय नमः। Hari Om, a warm welcome. The cameraman has travelled to the heavens to check what is happening there. In the 264th verse we saw that everybody became silent and Ramchandraji asks Bharata, please tell me what to do. And now, please note, the Praja little they understood Bharata what he will say, because they thought, okay, now that it is in Bharata's court, Bharata will bring Ramchandraji back. But what is Bharata's glory? What is there in Bharata's mind? In fact, that itself indicates who Bharata is. We will see. 265th Chaupai. सूरगन सहित सभय सुर राजू सोचहि चाहत हो न अकाजू बनत उपाऊ करत कछु नाही राम सरन सबगे मन माही बहुरी बिचारी परस्पर कहि रघुपति भगत भगति बस आही सुधि करी अम्बरीश दुरबासा भेसुर सुरपति निपट निरासा सहे सुरन बहुकाल विषादा नरहरि किए प्रगट प्रहलादा लगी लगी कान कहीं धुनि माथा अब सुर काज भरत के हाथा आन उपाउन देखिय देवा मानत राम सुसेवक सेवा हिय सपेम सुमिरहु सब बरतहि निज गुणशील राम बस करतहि सुनि सुर मत सुर गुर कहिऊ भल तुम्हार बड़ बागु सकल सुमंगल मूल जग भरत चरण अनुरागु सियावर रामचंद्र की जय पवन सुत हनुमान की जय उमापति महादेव की जय बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। सुरगन सहित सभय सुर राजू सोचहि चाहत हो न काजू। सुरगन सहित सभय सुर राजू। सुरराजु सुराणाम राजः इंद्रदेवता and he suragana sahita with all the other gods sabhaya, they were trembling in fear. Sochahi chahat ho na akaju, they were little perturbed. Why? There is a reason, there is a purpose for why they are afraid of. Why? Because if Bharata asks Ramchandra ji to come back to Ayodhya, Rama will come. Because he has committed, he has given word. And the whole thing would be a flop. Is it not? So they were worrying. बनत उपाय करत कछु नाही राम सरन सबगे मन माही. They were all completely at loss. They didn't know what to do. Bhanata upaya karata kachu nahi. There is nothing they could do. So what did they do? Ramacharana Sabha. They completely surrendered themselves mentally at the feet of Bhagavan Sri Ramchandra ji to find a solution for the issue. Bahuri bichari paraspara kahi. And each of them, while mentally they surrendered at the feet of Ramchandra ji, paraspara kahai, they told each other, Raghupati bhagata bhagati basa ahahi. They said, Bhagavan Ramchandra ji, he is under the spell of, devotion towards his devotees in a manner of saying. Meaning what? He is one person who will just accept whatever his devotees say. That is why they were worried. Sudhikari Ambarisha Durabasa. Earlier we saw about Ambarisha, isn't it? They remembered that story of Ambarisha and Durvasa Muni. Bhesura Surapati Nipata Nirasa. And God, as well as Indra Devata, Surapati, became very, very despondent. Became, they felt as though they were hopeless. Sahi, you know why? Because the depth of Bharata's love can do anything. That is why bhakti is so important. The more we are deep in our love towards Bhagavan, Bhagavan will wait to come and, offer all our desires. Sahi surana bahukala bishada. Even bahukala bishada, even earlier also, gods had suffered with a lot of all these asuras trouble. They came and tormented. So the gods also had suffered. But at the same time, Bhagavan has never left them alone. Narahari kiye pragata prahalada. And what did Bhagavan do? He brought Prahalada. And he also became Narasimha. He will definitely show a way. That thought is there at the bottom of the heart. Lagi lagi kaana kahi dhuni matha abasura kaja bharata ke hata. Now, they said, now everything is in the hands of Bharata. Bharata ke hata. Nobody else can save us. Only Bharata has to save us. Therefore, there is no other way. We will all surrender at the feet of Bharata. Ana upauna dekhiya deva. Manata Ramu Susevaka Seva. Having understood, knowing very well that Rama acknowledges all the service, seva rendered by his devotees, and he will turn towards them alone. There is no other remedy, O gods. Best is surrender at the feet of his seva. That is why I earlier also had made a mention. Bhrityasya, 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 Bhritya iti mam smaralokanatha. Kulashekar Alvar had said in Mukundamala. Please treat me as your servant layers. And then I am that servant of that servant. Please treat me like that. Why? Bhagavan is such a kripalu, he cannot step over his bhakta. His bhakta's desire. Therefore, best is surrender to his bhakta. Who is that? Bharatji. Hiya sapema sumirahu saba bharatahi. Nija guna sila rama basa karatahi. Therefore, all of you, best thing for you to do is invoke with lots of love Bharata. Bharatji, the greatest devotee of Bhagavan, will definitely bless us. Nija guna sila. And the one who is extremely guna, full of virtues, Sheela, character, and therefore he has won over Rama himself. Bharata has won over Rama's heart. Whatever Bharata says, Bhagavan will listen. Suni sura mata sura gura kahivu bhala tumhara bada bhagu. Listening to that, Suragura, Brihaspati, Suranam Guru, Brihaspati, he said, Bhalatumara Badabhagu. Very, very good. You have taken a right decision, my dear gods. Best thing you have done. You are really lucky to have brought yourself to that decision. Badabhagu. Sakala Sumangala Moola Jaga Bharata Charana Anuragu. Everybody say devotion to Bhagavan Sri Ramchandraji's feet will bring everything. Suranam Guru Brihaspati ji says, the best thing you can do is have devotion to Bharata, then Rama also will be yours. Why? Rama Bhakta Paripalakaha. Therefore, think of Bharata. Continuing. Sitapati sevaka sevakai कामधेनु सयसरि ससुहाई भरत भगति तुम्हारे मन आई तजहु सोचु विधि बात बनाई देखु देवपति भरत प्रभावु, सहज सुभाय बिबस रघुराऊ। मन थिर करहु देव डरु नाहि, भरत ही जानि राम परिछाई। सुनि सुर गुर सुर सम्मत सोचु, अंतर जामी प्रभु ही सकोचु। निज सिर भारु भरत जिय जाना, करत कोटि विधि उर अनुमाना। करि विचारु मन दीन्ही टीका, राम सजाय स आपन नीका। निज पन तजि राखे उपनु मोरा, छोहु सनेहु कीन्ह नहीं तोरा। कीन्ह अनुग्रह अमित अति, सब विधि सीतानाथ। करि प्रणाम बोले भरतु, जोरि जलज जुग हाथ। सियावर रामचंद्र की जय, पवन सुत हनुमान की जय। उमापति महादेव की जय, बोलो भई सब संतन की जय। सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। सीतापति सेवक सेवकाई, कामधेनु सय सरिस सुहाई। Brihaspati ji told all the sevakas, the service of Sitapati. Sitapati sevaka, kamadhenu saya sarisa suhai. It is as good as propitiating or serving 100 kamadhenu. 100 kamadhenu means hundreds of cows of kamadhenu. One kamadhenu is sufficient to fulfill all our desires. One kamadhenu. But to work for the service of a sevak of Bhagavan, Sri Ramchandra ji, is equivalent to hundreds of cows, kamadhenu being served. That powerful is serving the devotee of Bhagavan. भरत भगति तुमरे मन आई, तजहु सोचु विधि बात बनाई. My dear gods, just forget, tajahu sochu, remove all worries, just do, accomplish that objective. What is that? Serve Bhagavan's devotee. Bharata Bhagati, devotion to Bharata, who is a devotee of Rama, is the only way. Now that you have taken to that, no more worries, forget. And gods, all of them. You have now as good as accomplished your objective. Therefore, go ahead. देखु देवपति भरत प्रभावु, सहज सुभाय बिबस रघुरावु. Look at Bharata's greatness. Oh God of, my dear celestial beings, gods, look at Bharata's greatness. And he also says, Devapati, he also, addresses Devapati, Indira. Look at Bharata's greatness. Sahaja Subhaya Bibasa Raghurau. Bhagavan Shri Ramchandra ji is completely under the sway of Bharata. So whatever Bharata says, Bhagavan will do. Manathira karahu deva darunahi. Make your mind relaxed first. Make it comfortable. Oh gods, there is no cause for fear, because now you have surrendered at the feet of Bharata. There is no cause for fear. Bharata hi jani Rama parichani. Knowing Bharata to be Bhagavan Shri Ramchandra ji's shadow. Suni suragura sura sammata sochu. Now look at that. Suni suragura. Indra Devata, he listened to all this. Sura sammata socho. All of them now decided. to what? To relieve anxiety and then surrender at the feet of Bharata. Antarjami Prabhuhi Sakochu. At the same time, Ramchandraji felt a little uncomfortable in a manner of saying, because he is Antaryami. He knows everybody's heart of hearts. निज सिर भारु भरत जिय जाना करत कोटि विधि उर अनुमाना. Bharata started feeling in his heart. What? Nija Sira Bharu. The main responsibility is Bharata. Is in Bharata. He understood everything is in now my head. The entire burden is in my head. Kari bicharu manadini tika. Then Karata Koti Vidhi, very many ways he started thinking. And Karavicharu, he started consciously deliberating, analyzing. And then he came to a conclusion. Rama Rajaya sa apananika. That is Bharata. Bharata is great only because of the fact that at no given period of time he thought of his own. He never thought about himself. There was no swartha in Bharata. That is why they are all great. People who have no swartha in them in any manner. Such people are always great. They are worshipped, revered. If Ramchandraji had to come under this way and tell Bharata, you tell me what I should do, then what should be Bharata's glory? Think. This is why he is right. What did he think? Rama Rajaya sa apananika. The best thing to do now, Bharata feels, since everything is on his head, he felt best is to obey Rama. Just obey Rama because Ramchandraji will take care of everything. Nija panata jirakhe upanumora chohu sanehu kinha nahi thora. He, Bhagavan Ramchandraji, he has relinquished his own vow and he is coming under my this one. He is saying, I will listen to you. He had come out with a vow to listen to his father's words, to keep up his father's words. And now he is giving up that vow and he is wanting to listening to me. Chohu sanehu kinha nahi thora. And thereby he has very clearly shown absolute love. This is not any little kindness or something. It is pure love. Kinanugraha amita ati sababidhi Sitanath. The Lord of Sita, Sitanath, has done everything great towards me. Kini anugraha. He has blessed me. Amita, limitless, unbounded love he has for me. And Kari pranam bole bharatu jori jalaja jugathat. He folded his hands and Kari pranamu, he offered his pranams, bowing his head at the feet of Ramchandraji, folding his hands. He is now going to speak. Earlier also Bharatji has spoken, but that was full of pain, lot of distress, grief. But now it is Bharata who is expressing, great gratitude towards Ramchandraji. And he is also going to talk to us. Please be very attentive and listen. What is Sevaka Dharma? What is a dharma of a servant? How should he behave in front of his Guru? Very beautifully Bharatji says. We will now see in the 267th Chaupai. Kahau kahavau ka abhaswami कृपा अम्बुनिधि अंतर्जामी गुर प्रसन्न साहिब अनुकूला मिटी मलिन मन कल्पित सूला अपडर डरे उन सोच समूले रबिहीन दोसु देव दिसि भूले मोर अभागु मातु कुटिलाई विधि गति विषम काल कठिनाई पाउरोपि सब मिली मोहि घाला प्रणत पालपन आपन पाला यह नई रीति न रावुरी होई लोकहु वेद विदित नहीं गोई जगु अन भल भल एकु गोसाई कहीं होई भल कासु भलाई देवु देवतरु सरिस सुभावु सनमुख बिमुख न काहु ही कावु जाई निकट पहिचानी तरु छाई समनि सब सोच मागत अभिमत पाव जग राउरंकु भल पोच सियावर रामचंद्र की जय पवन सुत हनुमान की जय उमापति महादेव की जय बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। कहूँ कहावो का अब स्वामी। भगवान, हे रामा, हे भ्राता, कहूँ कहावो, what can I tell? What should I say? And what should I make other people tell? Kripa Ambunidhi Antarjami. You are an Antaryami. You know everybody's heart. And you are an ocean of compassion. Ambunidhi Kripa. Kripa Ambunidhi, an ocean of compassion. Antaryami. You know everything, Bhagavane. What do you expect me to tell? Gura Prasanna Sahiba Nukula. Miti malina mana kalpita sula. Now that my Guru is pleased and my master is also pleased, meaning you are also pleased, Guru is also pleased. This is the greatest blessing in life. If Bhagavan and Guru, if those two are pleased in life, nothing more needs to be achieved in life. Everything is waste. And hey Rama, I have achieved both. My Guru is pleased, Vasishtha ji is pleased, my Bhagavan is pleased. You yourself. And therefore, miti malina mana kalpit sula, all those, that pain, that suffering, that inhibition, reservation, that torment of my mind, worrying as to what is going to happen. What will my Rama feel? What will my God feel? All that is over. Everything miti malina, everything is over. Now I am completely relaxed. Apadare dare una socha samula. I was totally obsessed with some imaginary fears. What will you think? What will they think? What will my Guru think? I was extremely distressed. And with that obsession, my anxiety was at its peak. But that anxiety, which actually had no foundation whatsoever, Rabahina dosu deva disi bhule. He says, there is nothing wrong if others mistake. Now see, he's a very beautiful example he gives. Rabi, Surya Devata, is not responsible if the passerby mistakes the time looking at you. Those days, while walking, they will see the shadow and then decide what the time is. Now, if the person who is walking misjudges the time looking at the shadow because of you, how are you responsible for that? All of us have misunderstood so many things. How can you be misunderstood? And me, in particular, Bharatji says, I have misunderstood everybody. Unnecessarily, I have imagined so many problems. This is exactly what we also do in our life. We go on imagining, go on worrying, oh, what will that person say? What will this person think? What if he misunderstands me? What if she talks to others about me? So many problems we take, imaginations we have, and we succumb to our own, self-pity. Isn't it? That is what Bharatji says. More abhagu, my own ill luck. Abhagu, Matu Kutilai. What are all the problems I had? What are all those which made me imagine issues? Now see, he's enlisting. Mora Abhagu, first of all, is my own ill luck, bad luck. Second, Matu Kutilai, wicked mother's thinking. Bidhi Gati Bishama Kala Katinai. Because of fate, providence. The cruelty of fate. Now, please, cruelty of fate, when we say, we must always remember one thing in our mind. Fate by itself is not cruel. Fate is nothing but our own karma phala. Remember this always. So, we have brought that fate to ourselves. But however, we don't know what wrongs we had done. Therefore, we have given a word fate. Now, cruelty of fate is also one reason. Pavaropi saba mili muhi ghala, and all of these conspired together and then putting me down completely, and they have ruined me. These are all what I was thinking. Pranatapalapana apana pala. But oh God, you who is the one who redeems, the Dina, the protector of all the devotees, the one who surrenders at your feet, you protect. And you, Yahanahi riti narauri hoi. There is, however, my God, my Lord, there is no procedure for you. You are just like that. Your very nature is to protect your devotees. Lokahu Veda Vidita Nahi Goi. It is well known in this world. Lokahu Veda Vidita Nahi Goi. Even in Vedas it is said, the world also say, it is not a hidden truth. Nahi Goi. Nahi Goi means it is not at all a hidden truth that you are such a great Lord of compassion. Jagu anabala bhala eko gosai, kahiya hoi bhala kasu bhalai. Bhagavan, even if the whole world is against, and you alone are kind enough to me, my Lord, kahiya hoi bhala kasu bhalai. What else is required? That is sufficient for a devotee to get to accomplish whatever he wants to. Therefore, your compassion is more important, Bhagavan. That I have already got. Devu devataru sarisa subhavu. Bhagavan, you are sarisa subhavu. You are a tree of, a paradise. Meaning what? Your heart is such that it can bless in fraction of a time an entire paradise to a person who is suffering. Sanamukha bimukha na kavu hi kavu. Just as a tree has no relation to good people or bad people, right people, wrong people, all that the tree does not have. It gives shade to everybody, irrespective of anything. Let the person be a saint or a sinner. The tree gives shade equally to everybody. You are like that, hey Bhagavan. How can we misunderstand you? जाई निकट पहिचानी तरु छाह समनि सब सोचु. And people, when they approach to that tree for help, for shade, for coolness, they don't even ask to have. The very fact that they come, they will get that shade. They will be protected. The tree will protect whoever has come. Therefore, they are protected similarly. Magata bhimata pava jaga rav ranku bhala pochu. And everyone, Magata, the one who asks, who desires, abhimata pava jaga ravu ranku bhala pochu. He will get whatever he is asking, whether he is a great king or a pauper. Is good or bad, he will achieve that protection from you. Why? You are like that, Bhagavan. Continuing. Lakhi sabha bidhi gura swami sanehu mite uchobu nahi man sandehu ab karuna kar kijiye soi जनहित प्रभु चित क्षोभु न होई जो सेवकु साहिब ही संकोची निज हित छहि तासुमति पोची सेवक हित साहिब सेवकाई करई सकल सुख लोभ बिहाई स्वार्थुनात फिरे सबही का किए रजाई कोटि विधिनी का यह स्वार्थ परमार्थ सारू सकल सुकृत फल सुगति सिंगारू देव एक बिनती सुनि मोरी उचित होई तस करब बहोरी तिलक समाजु साजी सब आना करिय सुफल प्रभु जौ मनुमाना. We will see till here. Doha we will take tomorrow. Lakhi sab vidhi gur swami sanehu. Since I have found my Guru and my Master very affectionate to me in all ways, irrespective of whatever has happened, I have found their compassion, love towards me. Mitevu choba nahi mana sandehu. All my unrest, my disturbance, my grief, pain, suffering, everything, it is completely gone. I no more have any doubt left in my mind. Ab karuna kar kijiya soi. Now, hey Karunakara, Lord of compassion, mine of compassion, you please take some steps to see Janahita Prabhu Chita Chobana Hoi. Please do not feel perturbed for the sake of your servant me. Meaning what? Please relax. You also seem to be perturbed. But please relax. Don't get perturbed because of me. Bharatji tells Ramchandraji, Jo sevaku sahibahi sakochi. Now he says, Jo sevaku, a servant is who never seeks for his own gain from his master. Sevaka dharma, please note. A sevaka will never work for his own sake. And nijahita chahai tasu mati pochi, and placing the master at a higher pedestal, in the manner of saying, placing the master at higher pedestal, he surrenders. He will never bring embarrassment to his master. He can never put the master in a spot. That is very important for a sevaka. Nijahita chahai tasu mati pochi. He will never bring a master in an embarrassing situation. Otherwise, he will be a mean-minded fellow, foolish fellow. Is it not if he does so? Sevakahita sahiba sevakai. A servant will only gain if he serves his master unconditionally. Very important. Unconditionally serving his guru is the only way a shishya can gain. Sevakahita, his gain is sahiba sevakai. Karai sakala sukha lobha bihai. Renouncing all lobha, personal, comforts and greed, etc. The one who renounces all that. No selfish thought, no greed, nothing. Renouncing all of them, the one who serves. Swarathu natha phire sabahika. O Lord, without any selfish attitude, I say this. If you return to Ayodhya, everyone will be a gainer. Swarathu natha phire sabahika. Everybody will gain if you return to Ayodhya. Kiye rajai koti vidhinika. And all of us will obey your orders. We shall gain in multiple ways if we only obey your orders. Now look at that. Slowly he is placing the ball again back into Bhagavan's court. He says, it is good for us to obey your orders. In that only we all will gain. Therefore, Yahasvaratha Paramaratha Saru. Obedience to you, O Master, constitutes the highest gain, both materially and spiritually. Svaratha Paramaratha Saru. Both materially, meaning in this worldly affair, and spiritually in our Paramaratha, in that highest bid for ultimate goal. In both ways, surrendering at your feet alone is gain. Otherwise, it is a major loss. Sakala sukrita pala sugati singaru. It is, if we don't do that, it will consume all our punya karma. And our good should take us to that higher. Otherwise, we lose everything. Deva eka binati sunimori. Lord, having said that, please listen to one request of mine. Slowly he puts his thought. Bhagavan, our good is in listening to you, but however, please, I request you to listen to this and do it if you deem it fit. Uchita hoi tasa karaba bahori. If you think it is fit enough, then please order us accordingly. He never said, now you come to Ayodhya. He never told. He said, if you deem fit that my request is worthy enough, please consider this request. Tilaka samaju saji sabu ana. I have brought with me all materials required for tilaka, for coronation ceremony, whatever is required, we have brought everything along with us. Kariya suphala prabhu jo manumana. Now, we have brought, what does that mean? We have brought everything to coronate you as the king of Ayodhya. Kindly accept and come back to Ayodhya. This is the request. Kariya suphala, please accept and kindly give us that blessing. Suphala Prabhu Jao Manumana. However, please do whatever pleases you. By that, he has put the ball back into Ramchandraji's court. He has claimed that all the servants' best way is to surrender at the feet of the master, and whatever master orders, we will shirasa palana, we will accept it. Now, if you think it is fit, we have brought all the materials, please give us the order so that we will crown you as king now and here and now, and then we will go to Ayodhya. But he does not stop there. Bharata does not stop there. He also gives options. I think the concept of Kaun Banega Karorpati, giving 4 options A, B, C, D. You can choose one option, which is the right option. Like that it started here. Kaun Banega Karorpati, Kaun Banega Ayodhya Raja. He gives options. What are those options? We will see tomorrow. All right. सियावर रामचंद्र की जय, पवन सुत हनुमान की जय, उमापति महादेव की जय, बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय, श्री सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। ओम शांति शांति शांति। हरि ओम। श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरि ओम। सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय।